This is a Windsor chair I'm working on now. It's not glued, it's just assembled. All the pieces are here. There will be some more shaping done, but I wanted to show the parts of this, take it apart. It's called a rod back. This was a popular style of Windsor chairs in the late period of Windsors, like about 1800. These kinds of chairs were done, called rod back. This is a single rod back where you have this lateral crest rail that goes across between these two styles, and then the spindles. That's typical of rod backs, but there are double rod backs as well, and armchairs and so on that are all rod back. I found this design in a book by John Cassay, the Book of American Windsor Furniture, and so he had a drawing of it, and I put that into SketchUp. So I have all the full-size templates out of SketchUp for the seat and all the sighting lines and all the various turnings and the crest rail and so on, and legs. Typical of this style, all the turnings were done in bamboo style. So that's what you see here. Now if I start to take this apart, the styles are through tenons, so I can start by knocking those styles out, and then I'll need to use a little dowel to knock these further out. Now I want to be pretty careful about this because I can easily break these 3/8 tenons on the end of this crest rail. So I'm just making sure that this style is coming out and the spindles aren't holding it and it getting dangerously fragile. I'll go a little bit further and then have another look here and see that the spindles, yes, all the spindles are coming out nicely. The styles are coming out. Looks like I can probably pull them out, but no, I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and knock those clear now. That should be about it. These look like they're okay. So yeah, that's coming out. Let me see if I can get this one out. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Here's the styles and the crest rail, or rod as they call it. And then all the spindles. The spindles have 7/16 inch diameter tenons on the ends up here in the top, and they have 11/16. These are all ash, local ash from the sawmill, Modesto ash. And the seat is sugar pine, another local tree here in California. So now we can knock out the undercarriage. The leg tenons are through tenons, and these will be wedged and glued. So I'll start to knock these out. Probably best to do it like this. I may have to hang this over a horse to get it totally out. see how this is working. Okay, it's coming out even. So we've got the rake and the splay, so you got these double angles to sort out when you drill the sockets for these legs. And typically you have the side stretchers, and in the middle is a medial stretcher. So that's it. These just come apart with these 5/8 tenons. That's typical of Windsor chairs, where the tenons are about 5/8, and that's all, again, ash, which is great for this kind of a wood, in this kind of furniture where there are a lot of stresses, and that tough ash takes the bending and the stresses involved. So now I can start to glue this up, and I'll do the opposite. I'll put the undercarriage in first. I'll be using hot hide glue for that, and then the upper part will go in with, I think I can do it with a hot hide glue. It takes a little bit longer to get the upper part installed, but I think that, yeah, we have warm days this time of year, so, and I've got a warm shop, so I think that will work out okay.